Hello, I'm Mike Rossi, and welcome to this channel, The Grounds Game.
This channel focuses on golf, sports fields, and grounds maintenance, primarily on the people, places, and the equipment used. A little background on me: I've been involved in the industry full-time for over 30 years. My career has provided me the opportunity to work across Canada from coast to coast, building and maintaining landscapes of various sizes and uses. Along the way, I've had the opportunity to be an integral team member on a few great projects. These projects have included the construction of cranberry bogs, the development of roads, bridges, luxury resorts, and the creation of epic golf courses. It gave me the opportunity to work with many very experienced, creative, and talented individuals, as well as try a lot of different techniques and products. I will try to share the experience and knowledge that I have gained over the years, and you can trust that this information is coming from the viewpoint of a guy who's been there. For me, the fun is in the creative process, and feeling that sense of accomplishment. The best times are when I get to teach someone and help them find the solution. It'll be obvious that I'm a bit of an equipment geek, so in addition to equipment reviews, we will speak with experts about the gear and the practices they use to learn how and why these choices are put into play. My hope is that the videos will help you make a choice for your situation, provide us perspective on how to create great conditions, or just simply to inspire you to get outside and enjoy it. Making videos like this is new for me, so I hope that I can provide you with valuable, useful, and easy to follow information. Ultimately, these videos are about providing information to help you get to where you want to be. I've had the desire to do videos on these topics for many years, and for some reason, it's gonna happen now. If this sounds like something that interests you, be sure to click the subscribe button. And if you have any ideas for videos, or there is something you would really like to see, post it in the comment section below. You can follow along on Twitter and Instagram, and I look forward to having you along on this journey. However, whatever you decide to do, be sure to get outside.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode of The Grounds Game.